Hi, my name is Daryl Collins and I work here at Marathon Coach in the Interior Design Department. And today I'm going to explain to you what the two big black boxes are in the bays. We always want to make sure that our customers are well prepared for whatever comes up. And so let's start going through the boxes. So the first item we have is the owner's manual. Anything you want to know about your bus is in here. And it goes through everything from the buttons and the electronics and the speedometer to whatever your needs. It comes with a couple of DVDs as well. Contact card services for anything that you might need. Next, we have a replacement toilet seat in case you break yours or it comes undone. Next, we have our plumbing finish kit, which goes through like a portable water hose, quick connect, some sewer hose ends, and everything you would need for your plumbing. We have power adapters. We have a special mop that has a very nice microfiber for dusting and mopping. All right, and let's move on to our second box. In our second box, we have extra cabinet pulls in case any of them come off or come loose. We have pieces for the oven. We have an extra towel bar. We have a box of paint samples. All of them are labeled with the paint numbers so that if you go to a paint shop, they can match the color. The paint is for touching up the outside of your bus or anything inside the bus. And it has the colors labeled on top. And we have a box of miscellaneous items, which is full of extra cables and cords and pieces to the oven and plug-ins and batteries and anything else you would need. All right, and that concludes what is in the boxes. Thank you so much for joining me, and we look forward to seeing you here at Marathon.